Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the example for the logarithm. Kindly refers to the question 23. Given the situation where we have ln bracket x plus y which is equals to ln x plus ln y. Focus on the right hand side where we have ln x plus with the ln y. Make use of the logarithmic additional identity and we can say it ln bracket xy. So from here we can see that the left and the right is not the same. So the statement mentioned that it is a true statement. So the answer for the question 23 will be the false statement. Refers to question 24. Given the situation, log we have the value bracket x plus y, which is not equals to log x plus log y. So we can see that for the right hand side, log x plus with the log y, making use of the logarithmic additional identity, and we will have log xy. So again, for the question 24, the answer will be the true statement, which is the A. By referring to question 25, given the situation where we have ln xy, referring to the logarithmic additional identity, and we will have ln x plus ln y. So they mentioned that it is a false statement. So for this question, the answer for 25 will be the false answer. Refers to question 26. We have log base 2 bracket 4x, which is equals to 2 log base 2 x. It's a false statement. So kindly refers to the situation on the left, where we have log base 2 4x. Making use of the logarithmic additional identity, and we will have log base 2 4 plus with log base 2 x. If we simplify the situation, and we will have log base 2 2 to the power of 2, and we will have 2 log base 2 value 2. Finally, we have 2 on the left, plus we have log base 2x. So very obvious, the situation for the left and the right is not the same. So question mentioned that it is a false statement. So for this case, the answer is A, which is true. For the question 27, a to the power of x is equals to b to the power of y. Then the situation will be log base 10a over log base 10b. So from here, kindly refers to the situation where we have the formula for changing base. So it will become log base b a. So for this case, log base b a is equals to y over x. So in here, if we refer to the situation, we transform the situation from log form to indices form. So we will have a is equals to b to the power of y over x. So we write the situation, a is equals to b to the power of y, bracket, we have power 1 over x. Next, rewrite the situation, which means that x for both sides. So we will have a to the power of x, which is equals to b y, bracket, 1 over x, then we have power x. Finally, we have a to the power of x, which is equals to b to the power of y. So the answer for this question would be the C. Next, for question 29, logarithm having base e are called the natural log. Then for the common log, it is log base 10. So for this question 29, the answer would be C. Next, for question 30, kindly refers to the left hand side, and we can make use of the logarithmic additional identity, which is log base 10. We have 3 multiplied with 4x plus with the 1. Same goes to the right hand side. Make use of the fundamental properties of the log, where we have log bracket x plus 1 plus with log base 10 to the value 10. Log, we have 12x plus with the 3 equals to log, we have 10x plus with the 10. Kindly compare the situation because we have the same base for both sides. So 12x plus with the 3 equals to 10x plus with the 10. Rewrite the situation. We have 2x, which is equals to 10 minus 3, which is equals to 7. So finally, x is equals to 7 over 2. So for question 30, the answer would be D. Question 31 refers to the situation. Rewrite the situation in this form. Ln bracket e to the power of 1 over 2 bracket, we have negative 1 because of negative indices. And the square root is equals to 1 over 2 for the power. Next, we have ln e to the power of negative 1 over 2. Making use of the rules for log, which is the log power. We can bring forward the power, which is negative 1 over 2 ln e. As we all know, ln is log base e. So in here, making use of the fundamental properties of log, and we can say the answer is negative 1 over 2. So the answer for question 31 would be D. Express the situation as a single log. So kindly focus on the front part, which is logarithmic subtraction identity. So we can say log base a bracket, we have x over y. Plus, again, we have to refers to the logarithmic power of log, which is log base a z to the power of 3. So again, make use of the logarithmic additional identity, and we will have log base a bracket x multiplied with z to the power of 3 over y. So in here, kindly refers to the situation for question 32, and we notice that the answer is C. Next, for question 34, given the situation, 3 is equals to 3 multiplied with log base 4 to the value 4. So for the situation, it is equal for both sides. But the statement given that it is the false statement. So the answer for question 34 would be B, which is false, because it is correct for both sides. Next, for question 35, given the situation where we have e to the power of negative ln x. Make use of the logarithmic situation where we have the log of power, where we have ln x to the power of negative 1. Simplify the situation by using the fundamental properties of log, and we will have x to the power negative 1. So here will be the simplest form. So for answer for question 35, this is not the simplest form. The simplest form will be x to the power of negative 1 or 1 over x. So the answer for question 35 will be B, which is false. Next, we have question 36. Rewrite the situation. So here we have log base 10 for the value 8. Power 1 over 2 over log base 10 value 8. So making use of the situation log of power, where we can bring forward the 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 log base 10 8 over log base 10 8. If we simplify the situation, and we will have the answer 1 over 2. So the answer for question 36 will be C, which is 1 over 2. Next refers to question 37. Is y is equals to log base 10 for the value 8, means that 10y is equals to 8. True or false? So for this situation, if we make use of the index and log form, so we will have y is equals to log base 10, value 8. If we switch or transform to index form, we will have 10 to the power of y, which is equals to 8. So refers to this situation, it is a false statement. So the answer for question 37 would be B, which is false. Next, we have question 38. Log base 10 value 0 is equals to 1. So the situation would be log base 10 to the value 10, then only equals to 1. So for this case, it is a false statement for question 38. 39, we have logarithm to base 10. Then of the value 1000, it is equals to 3. So kindly refers to the left hand side, where we have log base 10, 10 to the power of 3. Making use of the logarithmic power of log, where we have 3 log base 10 value 10. So the answer will be equals to 3. So for this case, the answer is true statement, which is the A. 40, we have logarithm with a base 10 are called the common log. So the answer is true, which is the A for question 40. Next, for question 41, logarithm properties must have the same base to be simplified. Yes, it is correct. So for question 41, the answer is true. Question 42, log base 10 for the value 4 plus log base 10 to the value 25. So in here, we can make use of the logarithmic additional identity, where we will have log base 10 bracket 4 multiplied 25. It is equals to log base 10, 100. So in here, we can simplify the situation, log base 10, 10 to the power of 2. Make use of the situation we have log of power, we can bring forward the 2. So finally, the answer is equals to 2. So the answer for question 42 would be A, which is equals to 2. Next, we have question 43. If log base x value 4 is equals to 104, then x is equals to, so from here we have to transform the situation from log form to indices form, where we will have 4 is equals to x to the power of 104. Next, we have to power 4 for both sides. So we can say it 4 multiplied with the 4. So simplify the situation, we have 4 to the power 4, which is equals to x. So by using the calculator, we can calculate 4 to the power 4, which is equals to 256. So the answer for question 43 will be C, which is 256. So finally, we have question 44. Log base A for the situation xy equals to, we have the logarithmic additional identity, which is A. Log base A value x plus log base A value y. So here we are, and thanks for watching.